Wait, did you know October could be the best month for planting in your garden? Yeah, you heard that, right? Most people think the gardening season ends with summer, but what if I told you there are 25 awesome crops that thrive in October? If you're ready for a colorful, beautiful fall garden, then you're in for a treat. Hey there, garden lovers! Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, you're just in time to learn something game-changing. While everyone's putting away their gardening tools, you'll be planting crops that will make your garden look absolutely stunning all season long. October isn't just for pumpkin spice and cozy sweaters. It's the perfect time to give your garden a fall glow-up. Today, I'm sharing 25 incredible crops that not only survive but thrive in cooler weather. You're going to want to plant these right now. 1. Cool weather greens. Let's kick things off with the cool weather greens. These veggies love the chill and will add a pop of green to your fall garden. First up, kale. This superfood is hearty, packed with nutrients, and gets sweeter as the temperature drops. Next, we've got spinach, perfect for salads and smoothies, and trust me, it'll grow like a champ this fall. And don't forget about Swiss chard. Not only is it tasty, but those colorful stems, they're like adding rainbow highlights to your garden. 2. Root veggies for fall. Now let's get down to the roots. If you haven't planted root veggies in October, you're seriously missing out. Start with radishes. These little guys grow fast, and their crunch is unbeatable. Carrots are next. These sweeten up in the cooler weather, and nothing beats pulling fresh carrots straight from the soil. And of course, there's beets. The deep red color just screams fall, doesn't it? 3. Hardy herbs and alliums. Don't forget your herbs! Parsley and cilantro thrive in cooler temps and will keep your herb garden alive and well into the season. And here's a secret weapon for any fall garden garlic. Plant it now, and by next summer, you'll have an endless supply of fresh garlic. It's a must-have. 4. Fall flowering crops. Want to add some color? Calendula and pansies will not only bring beautiful blooms to your garden, but are also edible. Imagine a garden that's both functional and gorgeous. 5. Frost-friendly staples. And now for the true stars of the fall garden frost-friendly crops. You can't go wrong with broccoli, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts. These heavy hitters love the cool weather and are perfect for cozy fall recipes. There you have it, 25 awesome crops that you can plant right now for an incredible fall garden. Whether you're looking for fresh greens, crunchy roots, or frost-hardy staples, October is the month to transform your space. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, grab your seeds, and let's make this fall garden the best one yet. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button if you're excited, and leave a comment below telling me what you're planting this month. See you in the garden! Happy gardening, everyone!